Alright, in this video I'm going to walk you guys through how to have a text message sent out to your newly exported leads inside of your Link app automatically. So first things first, go to the link here, which will be in the description below. Scroll down, type in Twilio, and here we have a pre-made Zap that you can just click try it. And the steps are already set up. Just set up your Link account, click continue. You're going to want to make sure you test the trigger, make sure it is connected properly. Go ahead and go to connect your Twilio account. Now, if you don't have a Twilio account, you can actually start one for free. No credit card required. There is a link in the description below. Just fill in your information, and they'll actually give you a budget of $15 to start with. And you can actually go ahead and get your Twilio phone number pretty much immediately and start sending out text messages. Just click sign in, and now this is where you're going to want to get your SID number. So go back to your Twilio account, copy and paste this number right here, and then get your authentication token number, copy this, paste it in there, and click continue. Now you should be good to go. And here is where you're going to actually set up the action itself. So select your Twilio number that you just set up. And then here you're going to want to select the work phone inside of your Link app. And then for the message, you can actually have it to where it will automatically populate the name for each lead automatically. Just click the first name, and then you can go ahead and type in your greeting message. And you can provide a link to your digital business card page in there if you'd like. Test the action, make sure it's working. Looks like it is, so I'm going to go ahead and click publish. There we go. Now let's test and see if it actually works. So I'm going to pull out my phone here, go to the Link app, and I'm going to test it with myself. So click here, export lead to Zapier, boom, and then there, as you can see, it automatically sent me a text. Now I am on the trial account, so it does have that little trial text in the beginning. But if you get an actual Twilio account, it will not have that in there. I highly suggest you guys do this, and I'll see you in the next video.